Hey Steve, how are you? Now I'll show you that how can you give me your business manager access. Okay. So first of all, you have to come in your page profile. Then you have to go Meta Business site. Okay. So click on Meta Business site, and then you can see here our Meta Business site is open, and now you have to click on all tools. Okay, all tools, and then here you can see here ads manager. Okay, here you can see ads manager. Now you have to click ads manager. Then the ads campaign and add the ads manager is open, and now you have to do uh, the three lines. You can see here the three lines here, like all tools, and from here you click on this business setting. Okay, you click here in business setting. Now our business manager business setting is open, business manager setting. So you can see here the users, and under the users here people. So I add you as a business owner. Okay, so I can't add anyone this way. I can't add anyone. So you have to do that. You can come here in people section and add a new person, like uh, okay. And here you can see also you have to select any pages name. You can see here only the people with full control of this page can claim it into the business account. Okay, I can't add any pages in this business manager, so you have to add also your page here. Okay, you have to you come in account section, and under the account section you can see the pages, and from here add a page. Okay, add your page, enter your page name, and your page will come here, and click on it and add page. Click here and add page. Okay, and after that you have to come on also people again and add asset. Okay, so make sure before you do anything, you have to add your ad account pages, and then you add me your in this your business manager. Okay, so you add your page. From here you can go to the account section. Under you can see the pages section, and here I show you that how to add your page. Okay, add your page from here, Facebook page name or URL, and then you can add a page. Okay, and then you go for add your ad account. Okay, from here you add, click on add, and click also on add an ad account. Okay, and then here you enter your ad account ID that you send me in Upwork. Okay, Fiverr, sorry. So here you put your ad account number and then add your ad account. Okay, and after that after you add your page and ad account, then you add me and your business manager from people section. From here, add new. Okay, so thank you so much. I hope you understand. If you have any issues, or if you didn't understand anything, please let me know.